Alvin Abueva.
No choice. The shot clock was winding down.
Paul Lee. Inside the save. Can't finish. Sangalang naman ang babawi. Kanina baliktad eh. Diba? Mintis ni Sangalang.
Chance to inch closer here.
Halalon jumper from 17. Puts it in.
Apat na player nakaka-score dyan. Tigalawang puntos yan. No? The only guy that hasn't scored is Contapay.
Oh, 3-man substitution.
Sa local side, except for Sade Lucero. Players for today's game.
Ito mo nag-low 5 yung dalawa. Halalon tsaka Baroka. Partner. Sila yung ano eh.
Too
makulit.
many good years together, no? Too many happy years together.
Must have been strange, no? To face each other for the first time na magkalaban
kayo. And that you have been close, no? For so long.
Sabi ko sa kanya, wag niya masyadong galingan. Kasi nga, yun nga, kasi magkalaban na kami. But yan, pagdating naman sa court, ganun naman tayo eh. As a pro player, kailangan natin tumabaho ng maayos para mapakita natin yung talent natin.